All right, guys, so here we are. Finally, able to sit down and talk to you guys. Jill, unfortunately, isn't here because she's busy taking care of things. I've been here trying to take care of things. We've been trying to coordinate to share the big news with you guys. We're going to do this, video to let you guys know what's happening. But that has not happened. So here we are. We are sharing the news. You guys ready to tell them? We're moving! So we are going from Florida to South Carolina. So huge move. I've moved all over the place. I'm used to it. The kids, your first time, right?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you guys excited?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a huge adventure that's coming up. It just God opened the doors for us in South Carolina, so we are going to go and we're going to have a great time and experience some new things. So we're definitely looking forward to it. So we've been going back and forth to look at homes and things like that, and we finally got settled on something.
Yes.
You guys saw the home?
Yes.
You guys like it?
Yeah.
So stay tuned because I'm going to keep you guys updated with real life, right?
Yeah.
With the ups and downs of getting everything coordinated with moving, and it's not as glamorous as, some people put it out there, right? There's a lot to do. Lots to do. So guys, we're excited. We're super excited. We're so blessed to be experiencing and going on this journey. And we're definitely looking forward to it. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Bye. All right, so the process begins. Moving. Fun? No, not really. Not fun at all. Boom. Started. I had to share this with you guys. These are cool. I found these stickers on Amazon, and they're really neat. You can order it for different size bedrooms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms, and they come with bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom 1, bathroom 2, storage, fragile stickers, really cool stuff. So I'll link it down below. Really cool. Another thing that I purchased, so now that I have time, because I've moved quite a bit of times, and most times it has been rushed and I haven't had time to prep. But this time I'm trying to be proactive. And boom, fragile stickers, giant ones. I've broken stuff in the past. Doesn't turn out well. Not a great experience when you're unpacking and you find broken stuff. So slapping giant fragile stickers on the boxes that have glass and things like that on, and going from there. It is an adventure. It really is. I've never moved with a family before, so this is a big deal. Huge, and it's a learning curve, so stay tuned. This is what it's about, right? I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. I'm not gonna glamour it up because it's not glamorous. This stuff can and will be a headache, but you take it one day at a time. We're blessed, no complaints. We're doing this as a family, so stay tuned.